Yeah, I just want to say, if you're doing a power steering pump on a GMC Acadia, this is a 2014. I guess this go from all the Acadias with the V6 in there, and you doing a power steering pump. I see a lot of people on YouTube doing their thing, but I like to do things smarter. But I'm gonna show you how you can take it out of there with the pulley still on it. Easy. You ain't gotta come through this side. You have to come over here to move the hose to disconnect the low pressure line and the line that's screwed on the top. Yeah, you come over here and do all that. But I'm gonna tell you, and then you unbolt it. But what you wanna do, you wanna come underneath the car. See that? Jack the car. You see I got the pump in there. It's a brand new pump with the pulley still on it. I'm gonna show you how you could do that. Let me go up under the car. Boom. Let me show you what I did. Get a light. You see this plate right there? That's the heat shield right below the catalytic converter. Now, if you unbolt that, it's two 10 millimeters. Come up under here, get you a 10 millimeter with a swivel head on it, closed box ratchet. Then you come over here, boom. You see all that space right there? Once you move that seal, you can pull the power steering pump out of there with the pulley still on it. Pull in all. It'll come right out of there. You just gotta work it out of there. It's real easy and simple. That's what I did. So I'm not doing all of that, taking the pulley off over in the crack, trying to squeeze it through the tight spot over there. So you just move this plate right here. This plate right there. See that plate? Smooth that, 2 10 millimeter bolts at the top. And you can squeeze, you can get the power steering pump with the pulley still on it, right through there. Simple. Get it back in place, put the bolts in, screw the line on, tighten it up with, with your 16 millimeter, boom, you done. Put the hose on. So that's how I did it. All right, peace out. Too bad I couldn't record while I pull it out of there and then push it back in there, but that's how I got it in. Try that, that's the easier route. Thank you. Thank me later.